Hi everyone. In this video, we'll discuss custom incident priorities. Incident priorities allow you to conveniently classify incidents by the level of immediate impact, making it easier for your team to direct their resources wherever it's required. Incident priorities are set on the team level and can be chosen to be applied by default inside your services. You can also assign and change these priorities on the incident page by the Slack bot and automatically assign priorities based on the alert's details by writing alert routing rules. To create your own custom priorities, go to the team that you want to create these priorities for and click on the Priorities tab from the second sidebar. Click on the Create Priority button and give your priority a name. Let's create a P0 priority for our team over here. And just choose a color that you like and click on Create. As simple as that. Let's create P1 and P2s as well to go with this. And that's all we need to do. Now if we go to the incident dashboard to an open incident, we'll be able to easily assign a priority that we want to this incident right here. And that's it. To assign your newly created priority as a default incident priority for any incidents created inside a particular service, navigate to that particular service inside your team, click on Settings, and under Default Incident Priority, choose the priority that you like. So for this particular service, server monitoring, I'd like all incidents created to have the P0 priority by default. And that's all you need to know about incident priorities. Next up, we'll cover how you can set up your SLAs in Zenduty and how you can get alerts when those SLAs are breached.